Hey, what's up? I'm Idris, and you are watching LifeMinute TV. You know, it's preparation and it's thinking about it. The script has to say it. You know, my character is not an action figure. He's not a tough guy. He's a doctor, he's a dad. And actually, when you meet him, he's quite weak because he's really mourning. But I think the theme is here that when the press is on you, you can turn into a beast. You have to, especially when it comes to like protecting your children. So that was very much something that I kind of drew in from the script.
Taking on this role was something that's super challenging, really. When I got this part, I'm like, okay, this is something, it's like, oh, like we're raging at each other, this is a big lion that's coming for us. And it took a lot of practice, but it's definitely worth seeing this movie, really, because I'm super excited for you guys to see it, and I loved filming it.
I mean, you know, I could relate to some of the words and the feelings in the script. It was really important that I connect with that guy because I would have done the same for my kids, no doubt. It was definitely the father story, like being a dad that wants to make it good with his daughters because their mum died and now they kind of blame him. I really enjoyed that part of the script. I also love the thriller aspect. This is one of those movies that audiences are going to go to the cinema and scream, yo, run! And that's old school, I love that.
And for me, it was all about creating this kind of claustrophobic, immersive, visceral experience that you feel like you've been on a safari, been attacked by a lion. And that's what I'm trying to give people. So I put myself very much in the situation as well, as a director. You really felt it there, you know. So, you know, like in some way, by being there, by experiencing, it also gave you a lot of inspiration.
Listen, you know, we had to be in shape because, you know, just the nature of the 12, 15-hour days, lots of running, lots of takes, you know, it was tough. So we had to be in shape. And, you know, out there in the wilderness, you know, you just need to be smart.
They've got guns.
You shouldn't be out here.
What are you doing? Stop!
I've got to get my girls out of here.